In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make fully functional application using Emergent AI. We'll move from a blank canvas to a working landing page by guiding Emergent AI with a clear prompt, optional context, and a connection to your code repository. First, open the Emergent AI site in your browser and head to the main workspace. If you're prompted to sign in, do that now so your work is saved. Once you're in, look for the landing page option. This is where Emergent provides a focused environment designed to generate production-ready landing pages with minimal setup. Inside the landing page view, place your cursor in the prompt box and type a clear instruction such as "Build a landing page." You can make this richer by briefly describing your product, audience, or style. For example, mention your brand tone, a primary call to action, or sections you need like hero, features, testimonials, and a contact form. The clearer your intent, the more aligned the result will be. If you already have assets, you can attach them to shape the output. This could include a logo, a color palette, copy you want included, or reference screenshots. Attaching concise, relevant materials helps Emergent infrastructure, visual style, and voice without guesswork. Keep file names tidy and use the highest quality versions you have to avoid ambiguity. Next, connect to GitHub so Emergent can write code to a repository you control. You'll be asked to authorize access, choose a repo where you're comfortable receiving generated files. If possible, select a clean or dedicated project to keep changes easy to track. Make sure you have the right permissions and confirm which organization or account the repo lives under before proceeding. Now, choose a model. Models vary in capabilities and speed, and the choice can influence code quality, design fidelity, and reasoning. If you're unsure, pick a balanced option that's well suited for web UI generation. You can always iterate later if you want a different style or need deeper reasoning. When you're ready, hit send or press enter to submit your prompt. Emergent will begin processing. Stay on the page and watch for follow-up questions. It may ask for clarifications about layout, color accents, preferred frameworks, or where in GitHub to place files. Answer succinctly and consistently with your original prompt to keep the output cohesive. Finally, give it a moment to finish loading. As it completes, you'll see your landing page artifacts and code organized based on your inputs and choices. From here, you can review the structure, commit history, and generated assets, and you're well on your way to a fully functional application powered by Emergent AI.